Alright, so previously we covered the fill coloring options plus the toolbar items for the time series visual. In this video, we are going to be going through the tooltip settings. So as always, within the sample report, you already have some pre-configured variations that you can play around with. But for us, we're going to go to the training view and actually build the visual and go through the settings step by step. So first things first, let's add an instance of the time series visual. Let's resize it, disable the background and title as always, since we don't need them. And as for the setup, let's add new date in our date field and use 3 different categories right here: pay analytics, development, and marketing. So if we go into the formatting options, the tab that controls the tooltips is going to be tooltip settings. And the first item that you can find here is going to be tooltip type. So we allow you to choose between 2 different types of tooltip. You can either use the built-in custom tooltip by ZoomCharts, or you can use the Power BI built-in one. The main difference is actually pretty noticeable. So for example, if we use the ZoomCharts built-in tooltip, you can see that whenever I hover over one particular time unit, I have all the series displayed within the tooltip. Additionally, what we do here is we also capture the series colors, so it's easier to identify which one is which. Now, if I switch this to a native tooltip right here, and I hover over back, let's say again, over the same 2017, you can see that I still have my 3 series, but they're all in the same color. So we're just trying with our tooltips to help out the end user and find the information a lot faster. Now, additional settings that you can customize here are going to be, you can either use total stack values. So this is going to be used when actually you have stacks within the visual, not just regular series. The other settings that you have here are display units. So this allows you to enable shortening for the values if it's necessary. So for example, let's say I'm going to change it into millions. So value decimals are going to be applicable for numerical values, percentages for when you're using percentages. Let's say since I aggregated everything into millions, I'm going to go for value decimals of 4 numbers. So now when I hover over one particular series, you can see that even with the native tooltip, these settings are going to be applicable. This just allows you to further customize the tooltip and the value labels that you display on the visual itself. Alright, that's going to be it for the tooltip setting customization, and I'll see you in the next video.